Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about the limit for the bounds in here. So a approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from 0 to a. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of as over a, and I will put about c, and this is about the constant. So we can apply the formula in here, and that should be about e to the power of negative s over 3 over negative number 1 over 3, and we put the bounds from 0 to a, and we have the limit going here. So we put a and number 0 going here. So we know that this one that is about negative power, so we can put like this. So when a approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 3 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. This one we have number 1, and we have positive number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.